Who are you?
Why, I'm Squidward.
What kind of fool do you take me for? He's Squidward, you're Squidward, I'm Squidward! Are there any other Squidwards I should know about?
Meow.
I'm out of here. Oh, Dad, you're embarrassing me again!
Take it up a notch.
Now what?
First of all, congratulations, Mr. Krabs.
Hello, I like money.
What inspired you to build a second Krusty Krab right next door to the original?
Money?
We're picking up the language lobes! We need to get out of here! The door's jammed! Push harder!
Spare change, ma'am.
I lost something I couldn't live without. My identity.
Hey! Rain! You better stop that!
Hey, SpongeBob!
Well, at least I still have my personality.
I'll just subtract it from today's profit. And there's no money in here. How delightful.
Let me have a try. Open sesame! Well, I've done all I can do.
You have to be stupid somewhere else.
Not until 4.
Do you think Squidward was trying to tell us something?
Yes, I was! You call yourselves good neighbors? You're the worst neighbors ever! You don't deserve to wear those fezzes!
My heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana. Havana, na, na.